Welcome back to Online Store. We are still on the our blogging tutorial, how to make money online through blogging, and we are under the topic of how to write and post articles online. So we have treated all these down to this point. This is where we treated last. What we treated last, my three ways of writing content. One of the ways we thought about was copy and pasting. So if you haven't watched this video, I will link this video in the description below, and the playlist on blogging tutorial, I will link them on the description box below. So if you have not watched all these, please go back and start from the beginning so that you will understand what we are doing here. So in this tutorial today, I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT to generate content for your website. So let's get started. Now, as we said, we want to see how we can use ChatGPT to generate content for our website. Now, I will link this to the in the description box below. So if you click on the link, it will take you to the ChatGPT platform. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, ChatGPT is a platform, is an AI platform used to ask questions. So you can use ChatGPT to ask questions. You can use ChatGPT to generate content and things like that. So there are many things ChatGPT can help you to do. So but for this tutorial, we want to use ChatGPT to generate content for our blog post. So if you followed me on my previous tutorial, we'll use the keyword that we search for, and we want to use that keyword to generate content for our website. So this is the keyword that we use. So just press this your keyword on the search bar here and click on this icon, or you can click on the enter button of your PC, and ChatGPT will start generating content for you. Now, these are the few ones. Because we are using the free version, uh, ChatGPT will not be able to generate high quality content for you. So let's use this command. Okay, so all right, ChatGPT is done. So ChatGPT has generated 2000 words. Let's confirm if this is 2000 words. If you scroll down, you will see a button here. This is a button that you can copy the whole of what ChatGPT generated here, but I don't advise you to do that. Let me show you why. If you copy this like this, if you come to if you come to Google Docs, let's open up a fresh platform, a new document. So if you paste this, look at what will happen. Now, when ChatGPT generates content for you, it will be adding this star sign. So each of the heading will have this. Each of the headings will have this. So you see everything there. So we don't want that. We don't need something that will be able will stay on, doing all this. So what you do, the best thing to do, just scroll up here to the top. Now, don't copy this headline, this topic. Don't copy. You have your topic already, so don't copy this. So what you do is for us to just highlight, click and highlight manually, and then scroll down to the bottom, and then right click and copy before you come to your editor and then paste the whole thing there. So you see, if you do it this way, all those stars are not there. Everything is clean. Everything is clean. So with this, let's check if this is complete if you already have 2000 words. So come to two, come to word. So this is 4 pages. We don't have up to 2000 words. You can see this. So we don't have up to 2000, it's just 1000 words. So ChatGPT cannot generate high quality content for you. So the method we want to use to get high quality content is this. Now we want to use another platform called Grammarly. Grammarly is owned by Google, has many functions. So what you do is to come on a new tab here, open a new tab and type Grammarly Chrome extension. Click on it and then click on this one, this second one here. Now I've already added this to my own. So your own, you will see add to Chrome. So you just click on add to Chrome. So once you do that, open up your extension and then pin it down. Then after that, what we'll do is this. So what we'll do is this, highlight all, highlight this point. Now come to this on Grammarly. Look at it, rewrite with Grammarly. So click on it, click on improve. So this is what Grammarly does. So I'm not happy with this. I will click on more. Now make it more detailed. Look at what Grammarly have done for us. It has written this point on details for us. So click on insert. Look at what we have gotten. Don't worry about the font, the change on the font. We'll do that later. So look at it, the content have increased. So let's check our tool to word counter. Look at it, it has increased from 1000 something to 1002. So let's do the same on this particular point here. Let's do the same thing here and then click on this same icon, click on improve. All right, click on more, make it detailed. Now insert. Now also, if you don't like what, if you can read through this and you don't like what ChatGPT, Grammarly did here, you can always refresh and Grammarly will refresh that content, will rewrite it for you. To get rid of this thing that happened, look at the result. Look at what happened here. It entered the next this thing. So make sure you give it enough space. Give it enough space so that it won't enter. If you enter to this point, it will mix everything up. So make sure you give it enough space. Then click on rewrite, click on more, make it more detailed, and then insert. Let's see if we have gotten it right here. Yes, that is right. So that's the error we made. So before you highlight, make sure there is enough space here. There is enough paragraph here. So open up another paragraph and then let's copy this again and then rewrite. Then so guys, this is how you will continue to do, continue like this, continue like this, continue until you get everything. So far, let's see how many words we have gotten. So far we have gotten 1700 words. By the time you do it till the end, you get high quality content. Now this is our second method. So the next method we want to use is YouTube. So then after all, we'll check and compare the three methods, which one is better. So far for using ChatGPT to generate content, so we'll move to our next method of using YouTube. So please, if this video helps you a lot, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.